Hey yo, what's good everyone? Welcome to my channel. This is Mauro and today we're gonna react to Tanah Papua, a paradise for birds. I'm not sure if this is Papua New Guinea or if it's the Papua region inside of Indonesia. I don't know, let's check it out, probably they will say. Tanah Papua. Paradise for birds. Wow. Look at that. What a great way to start the day. Watching this. Look how green it is.
Anak-anak, sekarang kami sudah di hutan kita. Kenapa kita mau datang seperti
this is Indonesian.
Kalian tahu ke depan kita.
This is Indonesia, right? Sounds like Indonesia. Kita is us, I think. I don't remember anymore. Wow, look at that bird. Red bird of paradise. Magnificent bird of paradise. Wow. What is? Oh my god, I never saw birds like this. They look so cool. And the sounds they emit from their mouths. Wow. Didn't even know it existed, some birds like that. Oh, it's like, wait, what's it called? The big one that opens his chest when tries to attract
land
girls.
of Papua. Tanah Papua.
Indonesia, okay.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests in the world. With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Dan yang terutama, yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu, karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi sumber kehidupan mereka itu sebetulnya di hutan.
Wow, look at that.
Papua's geography contains a variety of ecosystems: coasts, mangroves, forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity. Over 600 species of birds are found in Papua,
Wow, they're so
including
weird,
the
these
birds of
so
paradise,
cool.
many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
Oh, that one I will
Saya
hate
belum
it.
di
That one I
Papua,
will
apalagi
hate it.
Cendrawasih itu sangat
With that
luar biasa,
sound.
sangat unik, sangat cantik. Nggak bisa dilupakan.
Cantik.
The birds of paradise
Wow,
are
they look
icons
so
of Papua's
cool. They're
biodiversity. Their
I don't
unparalleled
know.
beauty
Yeah.
has made them a symbol of international renown.
Wait, so if I travel there, is it easy to see them, or they're like hiding? Oh wait.
Itu boleh dorang selalu suka untuk cari-cari
You can
di
see them
dekat
when you
kampung.
walk. Wow.
Kita dengar ini suara toh, kita dengar suara baru. Kita jalan pagi dengar suara langsung. Kita jalan pas dapur suara itu baru ketemu ini dia punya sarang.
Global interest in Papua's bird life is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife tourism, bringing newfound economic benefits to local communities.
That's nice.
Burung-burung yang seperti kakatua raja, kakatua putih, rangkong, magnificent yang dia main di sini, main di tanah. Kita jalan lagi ketemu ini parotia, oh ini tempatnya main parotia.
So cute.
Burung yang kita akan panggil khususnya malam itu Papua frogmouth.
Banyak selukai lewa utai no sop tu kai memnya mem tuma wencap tuma arane no ne bisa punya tumi tiai cem punya tun cita jam ti cem punya tu hok tu no ko indamnya tu hok tu no kai cem.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has arrived. The future existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today. The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang, jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
There are plenty of examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation. With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to thrive.
Keindahan yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Saporgren itu sangat indah sekali.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation can go hand in hand. Within the forests, local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita. 1, hutan. 2, konservasi. 3, pariwisata.
Yang penting kita jaga burung baik-baik. Mereka lihat ya uang itu langsung. Ini mereka kasih di ini kita punya kampung.
The forests, the birds, and the communities make this region unique and irreplaceable.
Kalau hutan di Papua harus hancur, masyarakat di Papua itu sudah tidak punya apa-apa lagi. Jadi kehidupan mereka dan harta mereka itu adalah di hutan.
As the lungs of the planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate. If Papua's ecosystems are degraded, the effects will be felt not just locally, but across the world.
Wow.
Arfak ini berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
Through collaborative leadership, achieving sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood of local communities, and protecting globally significant biodiversity are possible.
What the hell is that
Papua
bird?
and all of humanity.
Wow. That's crazy. Oh, is it over?
Alam Papua sangat
Almost.
indah. Jadi saya minta kepada masyarakat Papua umumnya, mari kita jaga negeri kita yang indah ini. Sehingga ke depan anak cucu kita akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan hari ini dan seterusnya. Mari kita mendukung konservasi yang ada di Papua umumnya.
Wow. This was really interesting. Oh my god, there was so many birds that I didn't even know they existed. I didn't even know about, I mean, I know about the forest, the Amazon forest in in Indonesia, in Papua region, but I didn't know about that. It was like so important for our planet. It's so nice to watch these kind of videos and learn new things on a daily basis. So please keep on recommending me other kinds of video, even like this, like it's geographic, historical. I'm gonna react to everything, so just type it down below and let me know what you thought about my reaction, and I will see you next time.